السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله وحده والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: فضل العالم على العابد كفضلي على أدناكم. وقال عليه الصلاة والسلام: At first I am praising of Almighty Allah who created us. Salutation be upon the beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Honorable Chairman, Headmaster Hafiz Maulana MD Shafir Hussain Afendi, respected Assistant Teacher MD Abu Huraira and Mahdi Hassan. My dear brother, sister and guardian, I would like to introduce myself in front of you. My name is Habibullah. I am a student of class 5. The name of my madrasa, Southul Quran is Madrasa. I am a Mymensingh district, but I live in Gazipur. My father's name is Abu Bakr Siddiq. He is a businessman. My mother's name is Rehna Akhtar. She is a housewife. I want to be a Dai of Islam in my future. That's all about me. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Stay with Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
মাশাআল্লাহ মাশাআল্লাহ আমরা তার সকলে দীর্ঘ নেক হায়াত